Hello everybody, it's Eric Freeze. It's going to be a little warm today, but here is my air conditioner I use. It's a Hotpoint Port-A-Cool. It is crazy dark in here, and all I have on here are just my decorative lights. So, we'll turn it on fan only. Unblur. I think that's good enough. Low fan. It's not the most quietest thing, but it does the job. Turn off the thermostat, and then we'll try to get a nice compressor startup. It says the GE rotary. This unit takes a bit to build head pressure, and it works. It does work fairly well. This unit is semi-installed. It's not fully in the window because I'm not allowed to have it fully in the window because of building rules. But and then it won't unblur again. I don't think this camera really likes dark areas. Let's turn on a bit of light. And then I don't have any light there. We have light over here now. That's a little better. You can actually get a look at the unit. I don't feel like opening the door to get the specs. The spec plate's up there. It has a mesh filter called Port-A-Cool. I'd rather actually have the Kenmore variant of this. I would rather have that one. I don't know why. I just always like the Kenmore cooling lights more. Or the Crest variant. This grill light takes a lot of force to get off, and I have the filter in there, and I don't want to do that. Vents here, push it in, and slide over to this side. I typically run it at local because the difference of airflow that blows out of the top vent here is not the same and blows quieter. I also do like the sound of high because it reminds me of the childhood thin line. Pretty good unit. We're currently rocking a bedroom temperature at 71 degrees Fahrenheit. Unit's been running for about 5 minutes now. We're gonna go outside and have a look at the back. It's a nice morning out here in Ohio. Here's the back side of it. I actually have another one of these units. It's in better condition than this. There would have been a logo up there that said Hotpoint. I'll probably make this a custom unit because this one's in pretty rough condition. I'll probably swap the front grill off with the one on the other unit. But I'll probably make a custom brand name and put it on there. But yeah, it is definitely condensating, as you can see. This whole area here fills up with water and it drips down over into the drainage hole. And some of it just gets on the screen. Feel all the hot air blow out the sides, and then the top up here. And the cool air gets sucked in and the water gets splashed out through there. I'm standing on a riding mower. I don't need it on right now because I'm about to go somewhere. Let's go back inside and shut this thing down. And by the way, the train's not running. House got pretty cool yesterday night. We had the living room windows open. It was a little cool yesterday night, so this thing I don't think has ran that much. It's still 71 in here. Now we'll do a shutdown. like the sound of the Freon on this unit. These are good units. Eventually, these were replaced by those LG-made units with the, they called them the low-profile units. I like to call them the pull-in units because it seems like half the units inside, much like these. Those units would have a small control panel on this side. Sometimes the hires, they would have the control panel on this side, but they would have a control panel on this side and then a row of vents, and the whole front's just a grate. It's practically a carry-cool, but it's just a modern variant. The back side's actually made out of sheet metal, as well as the base pan. The whole front and side's made out of plastic, but all underneath that's all, once again, sheet metal. Really cheap design, but, yeah. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and keep the breeze. It's a nice day out.